Student, today I'm going to start a new chapter under your employability skill, that is your unit 3. Okay, so unit 3 I'm going to start. See this thing, I think you can visualize this particular thing. So under the particular skill, that means under this particular phase, you can see it that what we will going to study. So, as per your Unit 3 Employability Skill, Information and Communication Technology, we have to study introduced to ITC, the components of the different computer peripherals, peripheral devices, basic computer operations, operating system, introduction to internet, introduction to email, and introduction to the social media. So these all things are the very basic and you know them very nicely. So let us come back to our chapter, what we will going to study, that the first part, that is an role of the ICT in day-to-day life. So role of the ICT in day-to-day life means, what is ICT? ICT means information and communication technology. Information technology, that means where we are creating, managing, storing the different type of informations from different sites. We are dealing with a different type of informations today in this world, where we are working with a smartphone, we are working with a computer, we are working with an iPad and other different type of gadgets and devices. What we find that you have to keep a knowledge, you have to keep the information regarding to that particular pattern of device or type of device, that how that particular device will going to work and give you the help. So this is what the information you are keeping. So role and importance of ICT in the life and at working place. What is the role? The ICT has become a very important part in our day-to-day life, for our health, for our education, for our business, for our designing, for manufacturing, for the science, for the person who are doing the research work, for the environmentalist, everywhere, every field, every where we find that this ICT play a very important role. When you are going to see a movie, you are purchasing a ticket, or you are purchasing the food from the food counters, or you are paying the bills from the different type of shopping malls, or you are booking your tickets from your home, railway or airway tickets. So those are the different pattern of ICTs that you are using. So from home, what you are doing, you are doing many pattern of work, like you are playing the games which you like the most, you are doing your school work, you are playing the music, you are watching the movies, you are doing the email, you are receiving the email, sending the emails, you are maintaining different type of household work, like you are paying the electric bill, mobile bill, phone bill, shopping bill, different type of bills you are paying. Okay, and also you are doing the transaction of e-banking system. So if you do the e-banking system, one thing you must be very much careful about your code and numbers. Okay, so fraud case is there. Next, what is ICT at the educational system? In our educational system, widely we are using, and due to this pandemic situation of COVID-19, we are going to the ICT in a huge scale. Everywhere, every part, every corner of our country, many students are using the mobile phones, which they did not think how they can use that particular mobile phones, but today they are using it for their purpose of learning, for their purpose of knowing the matter, and teachers are giving the instructions, videos, like I am giving you the videos, or other teachers are giving the videos, or the different type of experiments, like as I have shown you the different pattern of practical experiments of implementation of the work in your digital documentations. I have done the table creation and mill merging also been done. So those the thing what you find it, that there are the different type of use. Simple use I have said it. There are different vast uses are there regarding to the ICT in the educational field. Okay, so you can use the thing for your particular work, for your different type of popularity. That means high order of skill and creative thinking are there, because you get a different type of models, different type of support. For the science, it is very much very useful. For the maths, it is very useful, because they get a different pattern of models, different type of objects, and 3D image of that